This is the Cali White Teeth Whitening System. When you open up your kit, you'll see an instruction pamphlet. I'm going to take you through that. When you open up your kit, you'll see you have the option of 2 mouth trays. You have the thermoform trays, which you boil in water and you form to your bite. Or you have the Universal Comfort Fit, which is patented exclusively for Cali White, fits comfortably to your bite, and features 4 breathing vents so you can breathe while you whiten. In order for your whitening light to work, you need to open the back of the light and remove the plastic tab that you'll find between the batteries and the device. If you went with the Universal Comfort Fit tray, it fits directly onto your light. If you chose the thermoform trays, you place the trays in your mouth and then you rest the light directly on the trays. There's 5 treatments in each whitening applicator. Each treatment is 1 milliliter. You use half a milliliter on the top of your tray and half a milliliter on the bottom. Insert the tray into your mouth and firmly press the button to activate the light. The light will automatically turn off at the end of your 10-minute treatment. After whitening, brush and floss your teeth, then clean and rinse your tray and store in your Cali White case.